On this episode, I'm going to share with you guys about when you should start using your beard comb. Let's get right into it. What's going on, world? This is your boy B, and welcome to another episode where the truth lives here. And on this episode, I'm going to briefly talk about when you should be using your wooden beard comb. When does that come into play after you restart your journey, or you may just now getting into your beard journey? And I had a gentleman sent me a DM yesterday and asked this specific question. Hey B, when should I use the wooden beard comb? I recommend using the beard comb, and this is going to vary, but this is a measurement that you guys can do. And the reason why I'm going with the measurement, because everybody's going to be different on a week-to-week basis. Some people may need to start using their wooden beard comb week 3. Some people may be week 4, week 5, etc., and so on and so forth. So it'd be tough to say, okay, which week you should do it, just based on so many variables. But what I would say is this: when you're doing a measurement, measure out to like 1¼ inches. And once you get to that length, then that would be a great time to start using your wooden beard comb. As of late, for the last 7 to 8 weeks, I just been using a brush, and that's been working for me. Now my length is at the point to where I can implement my wooden beard comb. It's at that length. And it's gonna give me a different style. It's gonna give me a different shape. When I was brushing my beard, I would brush downward. Even under here, I would brush downward. But now that my beard is a lot longer than what it was week 2, week 3, week 4, and so on and so forth, then now I comb underneath my beard outward. And that's because my beard actually underneath here grows in that direction. And then I comb downward like this. And I'm gonna comb downward on my sides for now. But that will change soon here. As my beard gets longer, I'm going to start picking up so I can get a different beard style. And that's pretty much to it. It's not, it's not that deep. Let me know when you started to use your beard comb, which week sufficed for you. Leave that in the description, because again, everybody's a little different. Please watch our next episode. Please look out for our previous episode. And this is your boy B. As always, you already know. I'm out.